Save my pennies, did my research right. Found a mixer that's out of sight. In a world of KitchenAids and shiny lights, I picked the one that just felt right. Ankarsrum, the train mixer loved by just a few. Not just a bread maker, no, no, no. In our loyal group it steals the show. Big batches, also the small. Cakes, cookies, bread, it does it all. No more clouds of powder in my face. No rattling and rocking all over the place. Ankarsrum, the train mixer loved by just a few. Not just a few, not just a bread maker, no, no, no. In our loyal group it steals the show. In the Rolex, what's that? Dough knife, what's that? Cookie whisk, I know what they are. No, you don't, the bull spins right. Others don't know what we're talking about. Thank goodness for Facebook. Offline folks, they just don't get it. Ankarsrum, they stumble and forget it. But here we know, we're in the know. This kitchen assistant steals the show. Ankarsrum, the train mixer loved by just a few. Not just a few, not just a bread maker, no, no, no. In our loyal group it steals the show. With us in our kitchens hang out the chosen few, there ain't no doubt. Oh no, oh no, oh what though they don't know. Our best friend in the kitchen. Do you wanna talk about my stand mixer? Nah. Well, let me tell you all about it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Ankarsrum, the train mixer loved by just a few. Not just a few, not just a bread maker, no, no, no. In our loyal group it steals the show. Sleeves best kept secret. It's ironic that something I love so much seems entirely unheard of by those around me. Are you sure you don't want to hear about my stand mixer? I'm sure. Well, let me tell you all about it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Trying out new things, some work, some don't. Still fun for me. I'm baking up a storm with Ankarsrum spinning round and round.